The Smith family loves Switzerland. Seriously, they've been there scores of times, seen almost every corner. So when Kathy's dad proposes yet another trip, she protests, "But Dad, what's left to see there?" He just smiles. "Trust me," he says, "this time it's different. A real hidden gem." And so, here they are in Klosters, Switzerland. It's quiet, peaceful, a world away from the usual tourist hustle. Rolling hills stretch out, the views are incredible. It feels like the perfect place to just breathe. But the afternoon kind of stretches. Their train isn't until later, and honestly, there isn't a whole lot planned. Then they look around. Wait a minute. Where's Kathy? Kathy? Where are you hiding now? Her mom calls out, a little worried. And then they spot her, down by the river. She's just sitting there, totally relaxed, a book open in her lap. "There you are. We were wondering where you disappeared to." Kathy looks up, a little surprised. "Guys, look at this. Switzerland has these special reading benches. This one's perfect right by the river." Turns out, the real secret of Switzerland isn't just the mountains. It's these reading benches, tucked away in quiet spots like this. They just invite you to sit down and get lost in a book. "Wow," her dad says, looking around. "This is beautiful. I get why you didn't want to move." Kathy points to a little box on the side of the bench. "And check this out. They have books you can borrow. And if you have one, you can leave it for someone else. It's like Switzerland's way of saying, slow down, enjoy a good read." "Who told you about these reading benches?" asks Mom. "Oh, I read it in Travel Secrets, of course," says Kathy. Her father nods. "Of course. That's where you found the lemon town of France, right?" And Kathy shrugs. "Everything. I find all the good stuff in Travel Secrets."